There are more than 260 species of monkeys living across our planet. From frozen mountains to tropical rainforests, evolution has produced creatures so extraordinary that they almost seem imaginary. Today, we're counting down 5 monkeys that prove reality is often stranger than fiction. Let's begin. Japanese snow monkey. Snow blankets the mountains. The temperature drops below freezing. Yet this monkey looks completely relaxed. Meet the Japanese snow monkey, the northernmost living monkey on Earth. These remarkable primates survive harsh winters that would challenge most tropical animals. Their thick fur keeps them warm, but what made them world famous is something even more surprising. Natural hot springs. Entire families gather in warm volcanic pools, soaking peacefully while snow falls all around them. It's one of nature's most unforgettable sights. Researchers believe this behavior helps conserve energy during winter and strengthens social bonds within the group. Japanese snow monkeys are also highly intelligent. They've been observed washing food, solving problems, and learning behaviors by watching one another. Skills passed from generation to generation. Spider monkey. Imagine moving through an entire forest without touching the ground. That's everyday life for the spider monkey. At first glance, its impossibly long arms look unusual, but its greatest secret isn't its arms, it's its tail. Unlike most monkeys, the spider monkey has a fully prehensile tail, strong enough to support its entire body. The underside of the tail is almost hairless, giving it a sensitive grip that works like an extra hand. Scientists often describe it as having 5 gripping limbs. High in the rainforests of Central and South America, spider monkeys swing effortlessly through the canopy, covering huge distances without ever climbing down. Their flexible shoulders allow them to glide between branches with remarkable speed and precision. This incredible way of moving also helps them escape predators while searching for fruit, flowers, and young leaves. Watching one fly through the trees almost feels like watching a superhero in action. Gelada. If you spotted this animal from a distance, you might mistake it for a lion. The Gelada is unlike any other monkey on Earth. Its thick, golden mane gives it an unmistakable appearance. While the bright red patch on its chest makes it even more distinctive. But perhaps its strangest feature is its diet. Unlike nearly every other monkey, geladas spend most of their lives eating grass. Hour after hour, they carefully pull blades from the ground using nimble fingers and strong teeth. They live only in the Ethiopian highlands, where massive troops can number in the hundreds. Within these social groups, individuals communicate using an extraordinary variety of vocal calls and facial expressions. Some scientists even compare parts of their communication to the building blocks of human conversation. Mandrill. No artist could invent a face like this. Brilliant blue ridges, a vivid red nose, golden eyes. The mandrill is often considered one of the most colorful mammals on Earth. These spectacular colors aren't random, they're signals. The healthiest and strongest males develop the brightest faces, helping them attract mates and establish dominance. Adult males can weigh more than 30 kilograms, making them the largest monkey species in the world. Despite their colorful appearance, mandrills spend much of their lives hidden within the dense rainforests of Central Africa. Their powerful jaws can crack hard seeds, while their intelligence helps them survive in one of Earth's most competitive environments. But even this incredible monkey can't compete with our number one. Proboscis monkey. At first glance, many people think this animal has been edited, but it's completely real. The Proboscis monkey is found only on the island of Borneo. Its enormous nose is one of the strangest features found in any mammal. In adult males, the nose can grow so large that it hangs over the mouth. Scientists believe this unusual feature helps amplify calls across the forest while also attracting females. The larger the nose, the more impressive the male appears. Despite looking awkward, proboscis monkeys are outstanding swimmers. Unlike most monkeys, they regularly leap into rivers, using partially webbed feet to paddle with surprising speed. This helps them escape predators and travel between patches of forest. Their large stomachs allow them to digest leaves that many other animals can't eat. Everything about this monkey seems impossible. Its nose, its swimming ability, its unusual diet, its strange appearance. Yet every one of these features is a perfect example of evolution solving the challenges of life in the wild. Sometimes, nature's greatest designs are the ones that seem the least believable. From monkeys with 5 hands, to monkeys that bathe in hot springs, to living rainbows. And finally, a monkey with the world's most unforgettable nose. These incredible primates remind us that our planet is still full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Which monkey surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments. And if you love discovering animals that seem too incredible to be real, subscribe and join us for the next episode.